Kate here at WTI. Now, how adorable is this little turtle solar light from Attivolife? I think his little smirk is the sweetest thing ever. This is great as garden decor. It's waterproof, it's weather resistant, so you can leave this right out in your garden, on your patio, wherever you want to add a little bit of decor and brighten your day. This little ornament is perfect. It has a built-in solar panel, so it charges with the sun, which is ideal. So as soon as it gets a little bit dark, the lights automatically turn on. These flowers light up. It looks so sweet at night. It even has a little butterfly on top. It looks like moss is growing on it. So much attention to detail. It's got a flat base, so it sits nicely on any surface, and it's super lightweight. It's not very big, so it's portable. But if you're looking for a little pop of color, a little something sweet to add to your outdoor space, you're definitely gonna wanna check this out. I know they have others with different animals too. Every single one is adorable. I'm sure you're absolutely gonna love it too, and that's my point of view.